So as soon as the market opened, the market dropped by 100 points. Yes, it fell by 100 points instantly. But anyway, this was my today's trade. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I traded on this particular stock, and I'll be talking about how the Nifty 50 performed entirely towards today. So watch the video till the end to get the complete information and knowledge. So guys, today is 4th of August 2026, and today the market is opening in a bit of a flatter side. It's opening at 24,703. So it is like 70 points down from yesterday's closing. So yesterday there was a big spike due to some CAS news and update and everything. So Nifty had a huge spike at the closing. So now let's see how the market will continue for today. So it's opening around 24,700 levels. So let's see, will this level sustain or not for today. Okay, so I'll be showing you on what stock I'll be trading and what are the levels I have on Nifty 50 and everything. So I trade without indicators, so I'm trading from almost 12 years plus. And please note, this video is only for educational purpose, and if you guys wish to connect with me personally, do check out the description box. There's a link to connect with me personally on Telegram. So anyway, the time is around 9:10 now. So let's see how the market will perform and on what stock I'll be trading. So all these things I'll be showing it to you guys in the live market with my analysis. So subscribe and follow for more updates and knowledge like this. So guys, the market just opened, and you can see here there is a drop of almost 170 points in the opening itself. So the market opened around 24,700. Now you can see it's touching almost 24,600 levels now. So yes, there is a huge correction in the market now in the opening itself. So let's see how the overall market will be. It might take a support and go up as well in the upcoming time. So let's see how the market will perform. Will it take a support and go up, or will it break the support and come down? So anyway, I'll be showing you my full trade analysis along with the trade what I'll be doing, so stay tuned for that. So guys, right now I have selected Shriram Finance stock to trade. So let's see how the stock will perform today. So above 1086 to above 1090, it might be a good bullish momentum in this particular stock. If in case if it comes below 1075, it's a short selling trade. So as of now, it is going towards the bullish side of momentum is what I'm seeing. So let's see, will our level give a breakout and continue to go up or not. Okay, so as of now it's at 1084 still. So let's wait for the momentum and the breakout to happen, and it's quite a bit of slow momentum as of now. The time is around 9:30. So let's see how the stock will perform overall for the day. So this is my analysis for the day, and this is the Nifty 50 chart what you guys are seeing here. And you can see here the market is trading at 24,595 level. It's slowly coming down. So I guess around 24,550 level, it might be a support level. Okay, so let's see if this support will take or not. So guys, yes, right now I'm trading on Shriram Finance stock, and I'm on a bullish side on this particular stock as of now. So let's see how the stock will perform. So above 1086 is a buying range what is there according to my study and the analysis. So let's see how the stock will perform for the day. So anyway, the stock is going up right now. So I'll be showing you the end of the day chart analysis on this particular stock, and also we'll be talking about how Nifty 50 will be performing towards entire for the day. So as of now, the Nifty is falling. Yes, so yesterday we see a big up move in the last few minutes of market due to the CAS new rules what they have done, and now we can see at the opening itself the market has dropped down drastically. So yes, the market looks bearish for the day. So as I said to you in the beginning itself, somewhere around 24,500 to 24,400 is a support point. So let's see how it will perform for the day. Okay, so anyway, now let's talk about the trade what I have done for today, guys. This is the end of the day chart analysis what you guys are looking at. So yes, bought it somewhere over here in the morning itself, and later you can see the stock has gone up and given the target. Later the stock has fallen. Why? Because you know that the market has also come down. So now let's talk about Nifty 50 throughout the day, how it has performed. Okay, so this is the Nifty 50 chart what you guys are seeing here, and let's draw the lowest point what it has done for today, so that you will understand that this is the level what I said you in the morning itself. Okay, so it has gone exactly till 24,430 almost, and it has taken a support over there. Okay, so this is where the market opened and suddenly dropped 100 points. Later it was bit range bounded almost till 12 o'clock, and you can see here after 12 o'clock again the market continues to fall down. Okay, from almost 24,500 the market came down to 24,400 level almost, and then it has taken a consolidation after 2 o'clock. Okay, from 2 to 3 o'clock it was completely consolidated, and same like yesterday how the market went up, even today the exact same thing happened. So when the market was trading somewhere around 24,480, suddenly it went up to 24,600 and gave a closing over there. So the market today has closed at 24,614. So this is how the Nifty 50 has performed towards today's market. So anyway, the market today was bit of an volatile, I can tell. Okay, the opening was bit of a gap down, not much. After that gap down opening, what happened was a big fall. Okay, so after that most of the stock went range bounded and most of the stock did go up down and all the things were happening. Today the market was bit volatile due to the new CAS rule and everything. We can see here the market is completely volatile now. So anyway, the good thing is that the market actually took a support on the bottom side and it has closed in some of a higher points for today. So that's one of a positive thing what I can tell. So yesterday's gap has been covered a bit. Okay, so let's see yesterday's chart. So this was the yesterday's gap what we have here. Okay, so this gap is filled now, which is actually a positive thing. Okay, so now if you ask me, if the Nifty takes a support from here about 24,600 and pushes up, then we might see 24,800 level come as well. If not, if this level is acting as a resistance point as of now, then we might see that again 24,000 level will be the 24,400 level will be the next support level what we have. If the market comes down from here and if this level breaks again, then the important support level is 24,200. If the market starts to go up from here, then 24,800 is a resistance point what we have, that is somewhere over here. Okay, so this is the resistance point what we have as of now, and this is a support point what we have as of now. Okay, so let's see how the market will perform in the upcoming days, guys. Okay, so the market might be volatile, but all you guys have to do is stick to the right knowledge and stick to the right strategy and just follow it and focus on it. Okay, so don't trade randomly just if the market gaps up or just if the market gaps down. That should not decide your trading trend. If the market is gap up, it doesn't mean that you have to go and buy the stock. Okay, analyze, watch, observe. Okay, don't enter as soon as the market opens. Okay, take some time. Okay, let your strategy tell you where to enter, where to take the exit. Okay, so if you don't have any strategy or if you don't have a right skill to analyze the market or analyze the stock, I can help you with it. Why? Because I'm trading from 12 years plus. Okay, so I have my trading experience from 12 years plus, so which will help you to avoid doing the wrong trades and get you in the right side of trading and help you grow your account. So just click the description and there is my link to connect with me on Telegram. Just click on it and just send me hi, and I'll be giving you all the details how you can connect with me. Okay, so anyways, this was my today's trade and analysis, and this is how the market has performed completely for today. So let's see how the market will perform in the upcoming days, and let's see what trade I'll be doing tomorrow. I'll be updating you guys as well. So let me know if you guys like this kind of vlogs and videos. Do leave a comment and let me know what you guys have traded for today. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.